Wall Street buying Cardano ADA. Get ready. Price prediction. Cardano has already had a stellar year-to-date return. It is still up almost 700% year-to-date from 17.54 cents per token. This makes it one of the best-performing cryptocurrencies this year. It shows that ADA has enough popularity and staying effect to help push it higher once crypto buying returns in fervor. Hi Cardano lovers, welcome to Cardano Land, your daily dose of Cardano. If you're interested in everything around Cardano, this is the place for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for us to provide you with more Cardano news. And let us know in the comments how much you think Cardano will cost next week. Let us tell the new listeners some basic information about Cardano. Cardano is a blockchain platform that competes with Ethereum and other smart contract platforms. It does not use a validation system like Bitcoin, which requires hash mining and a proof of work (POW) system to reward validators. Cardano uses a proof of stake (POS) blockchain validation system. They call it Ouroboros. This POS system does not require the heavy use of electricity that POW systems require. Cardano is now very close to rolling out its next phase of software development called the Alonzo testnet. This rollout is actually the last part of the third phase of its development, called the Goguin phase, which will issue smart contracts and native blockchains. The Goguin phase is named after computer scientist Joseph Goguin. Smart contracts are essentially software-coded apps built on a blockchain platform where there is no company keeping the information you enter or provide to the app. The decentralized blockchain keeps the information, hence they are often called dApps, decentralized applications. The Alonzo introduction of smart contracts is expected to start in August 2021. This should also help with the popularity of the ADA token since it will allow Cardano blockchains to compete against Ethereum smart contracts. Think of Cardano as a platform where people can build applications that address a whole host of issues. From preventing counterfeit medicine to enabling access to microfinance, the Cardano network opens the way for people to use blockchain technology to improve the world we live in. Cardano has a strong team behind it and has already achieved a lot. The project in Ethiopia is an impressive real-world use of blockchain technology. Ultimately, everybody has a different financial situation, risk tolerance, and investment strategy. As we've seen, Cardano is smaller and younger than Bitcoin, which brings both advantages and risks. What's important is to understand what those are and weigh them against your own needs. Only invest money you can afford to lose, and try to balance out the risky nature of crypto investment by building a diversified portfolio. The live Cardano price today is $1.34 US, with a 24-hour trading volume of $1,619,288,222 US. Cardano is down 1.03% in the last 24 hours. The current coin market cap ranking is number 5, with a live market cap of $42,832,125,100 US. It has a circulating supply of 31,946,328,269 ADA coins and a max supply of 45 billion ADA coins. Now let's get back to the topic. By comparison, year-to-date, Bitcoin and Ethereum have returned more than 80% and 273% respectively, and their market caps are over $990 billion and $315 billion. As you know, ADA is the next favorite on the list of Wall Street, so those who wonder how some other Wall Street favorites have done so far this year would be interested to hear the following numbers. Apple, up about 0.3% year-to-date. Market cap is $2.2 trillion. General Motors, up 34.5% year-to-date. Market cap is $80.7 billion. Microsoft, up 13% year-to-date. Market cap is $1.5 trillion. Nvidia, up 16% year-to-date. Market cap is $376 billion. Plug Power, down 16% year-to-date. Market cap is $14 billion. Square, up 13% year-to-date. Market cap is $116 billion. Tesla, down 5% year-to-date. Market cap is $645 billion. Given the juicy returns in altcoins, crypto bulls now wonder if the run-up in Cardano can continue in the rest of the year. Interested investors should remember the crypto space is highly volatile, especially in the short run. However, we believe the long-term bull run in Cardano is still in its early days. Thus, ADA's market cap could easily reach new heights soon. Leadership in the altcoin space is likely to alternate between different names. Given the interest in the technology offered by the platform, I expect the price of Cardano to stay strong. The current momentum could easily push ADA over $1.50 and higher. But the crypto space is risky, as the technology is still in its infancy. It's too soon to expect Cardano or other altcoins to become part of our daily lives fully. Integration into mainstream will take time and money. Interested investors should watch the price of Cardano with a view toward buying the dips. They should be ready to hold ADA for the long term without worrying too much about weekly price swings. As a new technology, blockchain, and as a new asset class, altcoins, will likely provide increasing opportunities for buy and hold investors. We would like to mention again that investment firm Grayscale has also introduced Cardano ADA to its large cap fund, giving it a significant weighting compared to the rest of the coins in the fund, beyond Bitcoin and Ether. The majority of the fund is invested in Bitcoin, 67.47%, and Ether, 25.39%, totaling just shy of 93%. The funding now includes a 4.26% weighting to ADA, meaning that it comprises a majority of the remaining allocations. The purpose of the fund is to enable investors to get exposure to cryptocurrencies with the largest market caps. The fund is assessed quarterly in terms of adding or removing coins, but weightings are changed on a daily basis. Grayscale is a crypto-focused asset management firm. It also offers trusts for a variety of cryptocurrencies, with its largest funds being for Bitcoin and Ether. While these trusts ballooned over the last year, some have recently been hit by the emergence of rival products, with the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, GBTC, currently running at a negative 9.5% discount. This has caused the amount of new money heading into the fund to dry up. Although the world of cryptocurrencies is not controlled by any regulatory framework in the European Union, since it is a relatively new market that is not old enough to clearly establish the trend it follows, crypto assets have become one of the most attractive options for investors, especially because it has options such as Cardano, a blockchain developed by Input Output Hong Kong, IOHK, that has managed to attract much interest. We have mentioned this again and again that Cardano was born relatively recently, specifically in 2017, and since then it has not stopped rising in the world of cryptocurrencies. Perhaps this has been influenced by the fact that it appeared during the great bull run experienced by the crypto assets at the end of last year and the beginning of this year. ADA, the cryptocurrency of Cardano, has exploded in the classification of digital tokens and is already one of the top 10 by market capitalization. We know that Cardano has become one of the most exciting cryptocurrencies in the world, which now eToro puts within reach of any of its users, who can invest in it both short and long term. As the social trading platform says, the investment history of cryptocurrencies is less than 5 years old, and may not be able to take as a basis in an investment decision. Now let's discuss what the crypto analysts have to say about Cardano. Technical analysis from CoinCodex shows that short-term market sentiment on ADA is bearish. 17 indicators give bearish signals compared with 11 bullish indicators. The price has fallen below the 50-day daily simple moving average, SMA, and daily exponential moving average, EMA. The average directional index and volume-weighted moving average, VWMA, are also showing sell signals. Cardano has support at $1.09 and $0.84, with the strongest support at $0.62, while there is resistance at $1.55, $1.77, and up to $2.02. But the long-term ADA coin price prediction from algorithm-based forecasting site Wallet Investor projects the price will move back above $2 by the start to August, reaching a fresh high of $2.86 by the end of December, doubling to $4.25 by the end of 2022, and almost doubling again to $8.43 by the end of 2025. Well, that's it for today's video, guys, and make sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time on Cardano Land.